Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily use divider and spacer in your WordPress website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your WordPress pages and just click the page that you want to edit. For example, home. Right when you're here, let's say that I have the 3 photos here right now and the one is loading. And let's say that I want to create a space or divider between this image, these 3 images, and this one image. When I'm going to preview the site, I can easily see nothing yet because it's loading. So let me go this way. Yep. And the 3rd photo is loading right now. So I want to get divider and space here. So what I will do, I will just click here somewhere. Mamma mia. Yep. And I will just write here divider, separator. Okay. You can also change the styles here. White line, okay. And now I can just spacer. Quite simple, quite easy. And you can edit the spacer like you want. That's what and I will also add a spacer here. And you can change the size of the spacer. So now I will update the site and I will preview it. Look at this. Here we got perfect spacer and divider on our website in WordPress. So this is how we can add spacer and divider. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. But sometimes this is a little bit buggy. Yes, we can also add it here. Separator. Okay. Like this. Update and preview. Voila. And here we got the spacer and divider. And I don't know why this is not loading. So this is pretty much it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.